Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about some amazing mammals. Do you know what a mammal is? Well, mammals are animals that have fur or hair, and most of them also give birth to live babies. It sounds cool. Let's meet 15 different mammals and discover what makes each one so special. Ready? Let's go. Next mammal is the mighty lion. Lions are known as the king of the jungle because they are strong and powerful. They live in big groups called prides. Did you know lions sleep for almost about 20 hours a day? Next mammal is elephant. Next up is the huge elephant. Elephants are the biggest land mammals and they have long trunks they used to grab food and water. They also have giant ears that help keep them cool in the hot season. Next mammal is kangaroo. Now let's move over to Australia and meet the kangaroo. Kangaroos are famous for their strong legs and big feet. They can jump really far up to 3 meters. That's almost as high as a basketball hoop. Next is dolphin. Meet the dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and love to play. They live in the water and can do tricks like jumping out of the water and spinning in the air. Isn't that awesome? Next mammal is giraffe. Here is a tall one, the giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on earth. With necks, they can be up to 6 feet long. They can eat leaves from trees that other animals can't reach, like a living tree, snack tower. Next mammal is polar bear. Now let's head to the Arctic and meet the polar bear. Polar bears have thick fur and a layer of fat to stay warm in the freezing cold. They love to swim in the icy water and they can even hold their breath for 2 minutes. Next mammal is bat. Here is a night-time mammal, the bat. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. They use their superpower of echolocation to find food in the dark. It's like a built-in the radar system. Next mammal is tiger. Say hello to the tiger. Tigers are strong and have beautiful orange and black stripes. Each tiger has a unique pattern just like a fingerprint. They are amazing hunters and they can run really fast. Next mammal is sloth. Next is a slow and sleepy sloth. Sloths live in the trees and move so slowly that algae even grows on their fur. They only come down to the ground once a week to use the bathroom. Talk about taking it easy. Next is whale. Now let's meet the whale. Whales are the largest animal on the planet and some species can grow longer than a school bus. They live in the ocean and love to sing songs to each other. Next mammal is cheetah. Zoom, here comes the cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. Next mammal is monkey. Look who's swinging through the trees. It's a monkey. Monkeys are super smart and love to play. Some can even use tools to get food, like using a stick to grab insects. They have long tails that help them balance. Next mammal is zebra. Here is a striped friend, the zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. But guess what? No two zebras have the exact same pattern. How cool is that? They use their stripes to blend in with the tall grass to hide from predators. Next mammal is panda. Say hi to the panda. Pandas are very special because they love to eat bamboo. They can eat up to 40 pounds of bamboo every day. That's a lot of food. They spend more most of their day munching and resting. Next mammal is raccoon. Last but not least, we have the raccoon. Raccoons are clever little creatures and are known for their black marks marking on their face. They are very curious and love to explore, especially at night. Wow, we have met 15 amazing mammals today. From the mighty lion to the clever raccoon. It's clear that mammals come in all shapes and sizes. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for much fun videos. Until next time, stay wild. Bye bye.